Just bought the cheapest muscle car on the market. Here we have a 2009 Mustang GT. I got this thing for such a steal of a deal, it's insane. Let's take a look at the damage.
So you can see the front end got wiped out pretty good. You can see the whole thing's kind of shifted over. See this thing got pushed into the intake and stuff like that, but
Nothing a little TLC can't work with though.
yeah, for sure.
I mean, pretty much we gotta start tearing it apart, get a parts list, and then we'll go to the junkyard, who knows, with this 09 and start fixing it.
Let's have a look at this interior too. See, airbags blown. Dash got kind of destroyed there. Oh, got the little trees, you know. Yeah, someone. This thing is so dirty too, but it has some type of floor mats in there. As the seat isn't torn at least, so it's not the worst. How much miles does this thing have? 102,000 miles. Not bad for 3-valve. This thing will go anywhere, man.
Before then, we're gonna tear apart this front end. Wheel's straight right now, and if you notice, this wheel has a little bit of a supination, whatever it's called, and this one's low-key kind of a little out, but here,
I mean, it was wrecked, so
we found the right thing on here. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, I mean, that sucker got hit pretty good. Same thing with the Corvette. Just this tie rod just decided to bend on the opposite side of the crash. I mean, the radiator. Look, yeah, the bottom. You know, this looks good, and then it's like, or yeah, new radiator.
Yeah, it's like $80.
So, I mean, we know with the parts we need some more. Maybe we need the front piece of this inner fender, some clips on this side. And then what? Fender, hood, bumper, fender. So I mean, you know, I think we could roll through. We'll roll over to the junkyard and see if we could snag any nice parts. One trip later from the junkyard, we've acquired a steering wheel airbag, passenger side airbag, and a tie rod. We're gonna slap these suckers on. The tie rod right here, it's bent real good. And while he's doing that, I'm gonna change out this dashboard airbag and maybe even the steering wheel one. Went to our local junkyard, picked up this bad unit right here, and then this bad unit right here as well. So good deal on that, and we'll start getting to work. All right, tie rod is fully installed, looking good. Finished putting up in the airbags, looking good. So we got to get a whole new dash for everything, but that's a later issue. Look at this little discovery we made. This they had a little. It looks like this broke at a earlier time, and they just you can see they like try to weld it on. Pretty terrible weld because it broke. So honestly, not a terrible thing because I'm probably gonna end up getting a little upgraded rear sway bar. If you could see, the weather's, you know, turned against us, so I guess we're gonna pick up some parts at a later time. We still need a passenger side fender, front bumper, reinforcement bar, and radiator support. So we're gonna go pick that up at another time. We picked up this fender from the junkyard. It's a different color. We're gonna end up having to paint it, but that's not really a concern because I'm probably gonna end up getting some unpainted parts because they're just cheaper. There is a supercharger video coming out with this Mustang, but it's, you know, it's so cold outside where it's like we're not trying to work on this thing right now. So yeah, we gotta get some more parts for this thing, a hood and everything. But we'll make a video as soon as we get this thing done. And you know, we have a ton of piping for exhaust, so might do some cool things with this car as well. Well, later.